everyone, my name is Tiara Hampton and I am the Recreation Services Manager for Plantation Central Park. Along with me today I have Christian Lavelle, my Recreation Services Leader. We will be showing you all some at-home projects to do while you're at home with the children. Alright, so here is our picture frame. This is the finished product, but we will make it from the beginning. You can make it in any style you'd like. You'll need glue, and I used glitter, but you can use cotton balls or however you'd like to decorate it at the end. This is how you add glitter. You just place the glue wherever you like the glitter. And sprinkle your choice of color over the glue. But be careful, don't get the glitter everywhere. And let it dry.